Hi, and welcome to another unboxing from Prime Cables. Today we're going to be unboxing a new product that is a true wireless earbuds. So let's do the unboxing, see what's in the box, see what comes with it, and also we're going to show you how to connect them to your phone. The first thing that you will find when you open the box, you will find two catalogs, one in French and one in English. Then the beautiful earbuds with the charging case. Then you have ear tips, different sizes. You have charging cable. And finally, you have a beautiful velvet bag with the Prime Cable logo on it. Before we get into the earbuds, let's take a look at the casing and its design. The finishing of the casing is absolutely gorgeous. The white matte color and the design of each corner is very well thought of. What's so special about this casing is the fact that it doesn't only charge the earbuds, it's also have a built-in battery of 2600 mAh power. So basically, the casing is a battery pack. So you could charge your phone at the same time as you are charging your earbuds. Let's take a look now at the earbuds. The earbuds are touch function. You could answer calls, play music, skip forward and backwards to your favorite tracks just by touching the side of it while they are on your ear. You don't have to hold your phone in your hand. You could control the entire phone by answering phone calls or your music tracks just by touching them. Let's go ahead with the pairing of the earbuds. First, you open the case and you take out your earbuds. You put them on your ear. You go to Bluetooth and you hit scan. And then you're gonna see Prime Cable G7. Bluetooth pairing request, you hit OK. And now you are connected to your phone. Moving forward, what you'll do, let's say you have your earbuds closed. You don't need to do this process again. Just open the case. Put your earbuds on, and then your phone gets connected automatically to them. It even tells you the battery life remaining on your earbuds. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please visit primecables.ca, take a look at all the products that we have, and if you guys like us to do an unboxing of any of the products, please comment below. Thank you, and see you guys then.
We make stronger cables and more.